Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download R and RStudio. So you see that I am here in the course website, the Bioinformatics Bridge course.netlify.app. The recombile slides, you're going to go to the recombile slides link here. Click on that. So these are the slides for the 2024 Bioinformatics Bridge course. You scroll all the way down to slide, I think right now it's slide 33. So this slide is download and install R and RStudio. Let's click here on the R project for statistical computing link. Let's open up this link. Close this. So here is the R page. Let's go to download R. You see here, there's a list of countries. Let's look for the United States. So this is the United States. I'm in Chicago. It seems like the nearest link here is the University of Michigan. So I'm gonna click on that, the University of Michigan link. And then I'm using a Mac OS. So there's download files for Linux, for Mac OS, and for Windows. I'm gonna click on the Mac OS file link. So there's some versions of Macs here that can I can download R to these different models. I'm gonna take a look at about this Mac here. So it's chip Apple M2. Apparently this one here is M1 through 3. So it seems like this link should be okay. So I clicked on it. It's downloading now. It's done downloading. Let me see. In the downloads page, should be here. It seems like it's this one. The R44.1. Let's click on it. The installer will guide you through the steps necessary to set up. Continue, continue, continue. I'm going to agree. Install. It's going to occupy 177 your computer. Click install. Okay, install. It asks for my password. And I do it. Seems it was installed. I'm gonna send it to the garbage. And now I come here to the Launchpad. Let's see, there's R here. So here's the R icon. If you're on a Windows, you should try to find this icon in your computer. So if I click on this link, there you go. This is what the R console looks like. So we can type here an ls command that stands for list. If I hit enter, returns character 0, meaning there's nothing loaded to the environment. So if I type version, it returns this information. Version string, it's R version 4.4.1 from June 14, 2024. Okay, the console seems to be fine. I'm gonna close this in the console, and I'm not going to save anything. I'm gonna close this as well. Let's go back to the slides. Let's now go to the RStudio link. So if I click this link, I'm gonna close the R link. So this is the RStudio desktop link to download. It seems like there are two steps to download the RStudio. The first step is to install R. The second step is to install RStudio. Apparently, there are all installers and toolbars here. There's files for Windows, for macOS, for Ubuntu, that's Linux. Okay, let's click here, download RStudio Desktop for macOS 12 Plus. I'm gonna click this, it's downloading. I can see that it's downloading here too. It's about to finish. Here, I'm going to click on it now to install. I'm going to take the RStudio to the applications. It's transferring 1.39 megabases. Now let's go back to the Launchpad, and if I type R, here's the R link, here's the RStudio link. Let's click here on the RStudio link and see what happens. RStudio is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? I'm gonna say yes. Oh, there you go. So this is the RStudio screen. Basically, you can see here the R console. I can type ls, and there's going to be nothing in the environment yet because we haven't started working yet. And if I type version, this information is returned. Here there is the R version, the 4.4.1. So there you go. We have downloaded R and RStudio, and we can basically start working now in using these different tools. So RStudio is called an IDE, the Integrated Development Environment. I generally prefer working with the RStudio rather than the R console. However, we can work with the R console here in RStudio. So this is the R interface. This is the R console. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.